let's understand about the conditional and logical functions inside Power BI. Now if you see all these functions, these are exactly same as Microsoft Excel. So let's go through them in a quick way. So if function shows a result based upon true and false condition, if error, function shows the result if inside the value which you have derived is having some error. Instead of that error you want to show some other text or value, then if error is used. Inside the third condition or the third logical function, which is AND, is used to prove two logical conditions to be true. And if you want to use more than two logical conditions, you cannot use the words AND here, and it is always advisable to use double ampersand inside Power BI. Similarly, if you want to use the OR conditions more than twice, then it's always advisable to use these double pipes inside Power BI. So let's go to Power BI and see these things into live action. So this is our Power BI model. Inside that, let's go to our table view first. Inside our table view, this is our customer lookup table. This customer lookup table is having one parent check column which we have created. So inside that parent check, wait for a second, inside that parent check you can see that if the customer's total children which are inside this column is greater than 0, then it will give a result of parent, otherwise not a parent. Now at this moment we want to give high priority to the people who are parent and whose annual income is greater than $50,000. So let's go and create a new column using the if condition here, and this is getting loaded, and let's give it a name of high priority, or I can say priority. Priority of service. So inside that, let's use the formula of if, and we want to show if our customers I can say annual income is greater than $50,000, and I am using this double ampersand. The second condition is using the parent check. So if the customer is I can say parent, then we want to bring certain result. If this is true, then we will say it as a high priority customer. So we will write it as priority customer, and if the result is false, so we will be showing it as a normal priority. Once we do that and press enter, we can see that inside this column the priority of service has been returned, and if this customer is a parent, and you can see this customer is income having $33,433. So this customer is not eligible for a high priority service, so normal priority has been returned. Now inside this formula, if we want to use, instead of these double ampersand, we can use AND functions as well. So let's cancel it and let's use it just like Microsoft Excel. So inside this if condition, let's put and inside that and let's have a comma here just like Microsoft Excel, and if both of these conditions are equals to true, then we put it further true here to check if this is a true just like Microsoft Excel, and if we press enter, you will get the same results here which you can see at the moment. So there has not been change. But if we want to create more than two conditions, just like if we want to show that if the person is having income of more than $50,000 and is a parent and is a homeowner, then we want to give them high priority service. Then for these multiple conditions, using the and here inside is not advisable. Instead of that, using double ampersand is quite good. So let's go and use our double ampersand again for creating these three conditions. So if we write it as if this is a parent check, and I can say if this is a parent, and the second condition which we want to show, so use the double ampersand, and we want to use the income. So annual income is greater than $50,000. And the third condition which we want to use is this person should have a home. So let's write a homeowner, and inside homeowner it should be true. So if these all three conditions are there, then we want to show some results. So we'll write as high priority, otherwise we will write as normal priority, and let's close parenthesis and just enter it. So once we do that, the priority of service would be updated because we are having three conditions. Now this person is having a house, this person is income is $1,10,553, and this is a parent, so this customer has been given as a high priority. So I hope you understood how to use this AND function. Similar to that, you can use the OR functions as well, and also if error function is just like Microsoft Excel. So I hope you understood the basic construct of these logical functions, and thank you so much for watching.